Hello, English 100. This video is for you if you are doing topic number 4. Let's look at that. The Mecca, Howard University, and the Black Diaspora. For Coates, what is the significance of Howard University and the Black Diaspora? How does his tribute to Howard fit into his larger argument about American racism, used between the World and Me 39 to 64 extensively, and also use your research on Howard, HBCUs, and the Black Diaspora. Okay, so one thing you might do is take your essay question and move it to a different document. So here's your essay question. The first thing I want you to notice is that there are two questions here. For Coates, what is the significance of Howard University and the Black Diaspora? How does his tribute to Howard fit into his larger argument about American racism? So this is two questions. This is not the professor asking you the same question in two different ways. So let's hit enter and start separating out the parts. Let's get rid of the numbers. So the underlined part is kind of like your theme for the whole thing. So you're going to have to answer these questions separately. The significance of Howard University and the Black Diaspora, first question. And then, how does his tribute to Howard fit into his larger argument about American racism? So this is about how this part of the book fits in with the whole thing. And then notice the last part is about the information you need to use to answer these questions. Okay? So let's label that. Let's call this research. So this is the information, right? Okay. Your research on Howard. So you can start cutting things up into pieces. And you're going to get information about all these things. So you have this part of the book that you'll become an expert on. You'll read it a few times. You really have to study this part and think about what he's saying. This part of the book might end up being like 5 pages of your essay. 4 pages? I don't know. But think of it as a big part of the essay because he really says a lot in those pages. And you have to break it down for your reader in the essay. And then you'll have information that you found on your own about Howard, about HBCUs, which means historically black colleges and universities, and the so-called Black Diaspora. The idea of a diaspora is really interesting. So look it up, but talk to me if it's confusing. Okay? All right. So notice here that when you break down the essay question, this isn't an outline of your paper, but you're moving in that direction. Remember that all your research, the point of it is to use it to answer these questions. Okay, so you've got 2 questions that are related, and then you've got various research and information sources that you're going to use to answer them. Okay? So, I hope that helps you a little bit. This is a great essay topic. So I'm glad you're doing it. And I hope you learn a lot. And be in touch with me and be in touch with Jed with your questions and to get help interpreting the book, because you do have a good chunk of text that you have to master for this essay. All right, that's all I've got for you.